Hello, and thanks for joining. Today, I'll guide you through a simple way to block autoplay videos in the Vivaldi browser. Autoplaying videos can be distracting and consume data, so disabling them improves your browsing experience. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your device. Next, click on the Vivaldi menu button located in the top left corner of the window. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then, look to the left sidebar and scroll down to find Privacy and Security. Once you're there, continue scrolling down until you reach the Website Permissions section. Finally, locate the Autoplay setting. By default, it is set to Allow. Change this option to Block to prevent websites from automatically playing videos when you visit them. That's all there is to it. Blocking autoplay will give you more control over your browsing and save data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.